Hi guys, welcome to Gold Beauty channel. Start with Gua Sha. First, clean your skin and use an oil or serum for the skin. I use serum containing vitamin E and C. We spread the serum on the entire skin of the face, neck and chest. We start with this Gua Sha part from the chest area, moving upwards. From the chest area, we finish with lymphatic drainage. We smooth the lines on the chest with Gua Sha. It is sweeping from top to bottom. Then we work on the neck area and remove its tension. We release tension, stress and pain in this area. A little redness may occur which will disappear quickly. We shake our shoulders and calm our thoughts. This move is great for double chin. We use this Gua Sha area for sculpting and shaping. With this movement, any tension and stress you have in this area will disappear. The people you use this area of their face is very full because of a lot of tension. We carry a lot of tension along this edge of our face. This movement helps release it. With this movement, we fix the smile and cheek lines in this area and move the cheek upwards. Each step is 4 wrinkles around the eyes. This movement is great for eyebrow and eyelid lift. It also removes the tension in this area. Placing Gua Sha between the eyebrows helps to relax and calm your nervous system. We return to the neck area for lymphatic drainage. And we finish by tapping the skin. Tapping increases blood circulation and brightens the skin as well as helps in detoxification. Release any residual tension you're carrying throughout your body by rolling your shoulders back. Subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Bye!